Welcome back to another quick guide. Today. We'll walk you through how to use Android Screen Recorder. Now, here's a step guide to use Android Screen Recorder or X Recorder. First, unlock your mobile phone and make sure it's connected to the internet. Open the Google Play Store and the search bar, type X Recorder and choose the app by InShot Incorporated. Tap Install and wait for the app to download. Once installed, tap Open to launch X Recorder. If ever, on first launch, grant the app permissions like storage, camera, and microphone. Then tap Allow. Go to Settings. Here, disable Hide Floating Ball during recording, so the floating widget can appear on your screen. Now, a small floating widget, the record button, will appear on your screen edge on the right or left. Tap the floating widget. Tap the tools icon, then tap on audio settings. Here, choose recording options like internal audio, microphone, or both. Once done, tap the check mark. Tap the X button. Tap on the circle widget again. Then tap the record button, the red circle. Then choose single app or entire screen. Then tap the start. A countdown will appear before recording begins. Use your phone normally. The app will record your screen and sound. To stop recording, tap the floating widget again, tap the stop button, and now your recording will be automatically saved in your gallery or X Recorder folder, where you can view, edit, or share it. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.